What's up, gentlemen? So today's video falls under the category things I wish I knew in my 20s that I know now that I'm going to hook you up with today. Gentlemen, today I'm going over 6 self-destructive things that young dudes do in their 20s that need to stop. Did you like that spin jump to stop? Exactly. You know it's fire up in here today, gentlemen. We're going over 6 things that I did that I don't want you to do, because now that I'm old, I understand, and hopefully you will learn and be smarter than me. Number 1, procrastination. Are you a procrastinator like I was? Like, I was the king of putting shit off until tomorrow, right? I'm like, I'll get to it. I just want to chill. I want to relax. I want to hang out with my friends. I used to be the biggest procrastinator until I realized that if I just do it and get it over with, then I don't have to think about it. The truth is, in life, you've got to do things that you don't necessarily find pleasurable or fun for the bottom line. Meaning, if you want to be successful, if you want to be happy, healthy, and handsome, you got to do the hard work. You got to do the things that aren't fun now so that it pays off in the future. Number 2, thinking you're invincible. This is something that I did. When I look back at some of the dumb things that I did growing up, seriously, I must have had like a rabbit's foot stuck up my butt because I did some super destructive, dangerous things. All because I thought I was invincible. It's not gonna happen to me. It's gonna happen to other people. You hear about horrible stories or bad things happening, but until it happens to you or somebody that you love, that's when you get a reality check. I don't want you to wait for the reality check or to live life thinking that there are no consequences. Guys, we are all capable of getting seriously hurt, hurting somebody else, or totally destroying our potential in our future. You got to make sure that you're safe. You got to think things through as best as possible. Bringing us to the 3rd self-destructive thing that young dudes do. We treat our body poorly. You drink, you do drugs, you don't exercise. We eat crappy foods. We drink too much sugary drinks and soda. We drink too much alcohol. We smoke. We don't eat healthy. We don't exercise. We don't take care of our skin with Tiege Hanley. In our heads, we're like, yo, I look good. I don't need to worry about that. I can eat like crap. I don't need to take care of my skin with Tiege Hanley. I still look good. I'm handsome. And you're right. Right now, in your 20s, you're young, you look good, your metabolism through the roof, your skin still looks good, and it's elastic. But when you hit 30, your metabolism, your handsomeness is gonna say, I was like 28, I looked at my eye, I'm like, whoa, is that a crow's foot? It took a crow's foot for me to realize that, yo, stupid, you're not invincible, your handsomeness is at risk. And I was not about that. Gentlemen, if you are not about that and don't want your handsomeness to suffer, you gotta hit that link down below and go check out Tiege Hanley. Here's the deal. Tiege Hanley is the greatest, most uncomplicated, most affordable, there's no excuse, skincare system in the history of skin. At this point, if you haven't started taking care of your face and using Tiege Hanley, I assume you're stupid. I'm sorry, you're not stupid. We'll say uninformed, because if you were informed, if you actually knew what else was out there in terms of all the other skincare products, all the other skincare companies that are trying to sell you 2,700 things, when all you really need is the basics, which Tiege Hanley provides you at an incredible price. Gentlemen, the quality of Tiege Hanley, ridiculous. Hit that link down below and go to our website. Go check out the testimonials. People are seeing a difference immediately, guys. If you haven't been taking care of your skin, you start doing the basic, the fundamental things that every single one of you needs to do, like washing your face twice a day, exfoliating twice a week, AM, PM moisturizer. Guys, you're gonna see a difference in your skin's complexion. You're gonna get compliments. You're gonna be more handsome. Your skin is gonna glow. If you've got acne, we've got a solution for you. If you just want a clear, more handsome, better looking face and skin, guys, hit that link and go check out Tiege Hanley. It is the best skincare system on the market, period. End of story. Get it today. The 4th self-destructive thing young dudes do is they are self-centered. When you're self-centered, you only look at how things impact you. You don't worry about the greater good, everybody else, or people around you. Gentlemen, there's nothing less attractive than when you're self-centered. There's nothing more detrimental to your confidence, your self-esteem, and the way that you are perceived and received by other people than when you're self-centered. Because the truth is, people don't want to be around people that think that their shit doesn't stink. Truth is, your shit does stink. It stinks bad. It stinks as bad as mine. All of our shit stinks. You realize that the world does not revolve around you and you want to contribute to the greater good and help other people, guys, the sooner you're going to be more confident, more sexy, more confident. Did I say more sexy? Not to mention just a better dude. Number 5. Self-doubt. Not believing in yourself. Not understanding your worth. Not understanding your value. And this is something that I struggled with. I had like low self-esteem through the majority of my 20s. It wasn't until I was like 30 where I went to therapy, I started dealing with some of my shit and forgiving some people in the past that I considered, having done me wrong. But it wasn't until this point that I realized that I was amazing, that I could accomplish anything that I wanted to. If you don't believe in yourself, if you don't have confidence in who you are as a person and your ability as an individual, guys, you're not going to achieve everything that I know that you can and that you should. Guys, you are beautiful. You're amazing. You can achieve and accomplish anything, anything. Our mind is so incredibly powerful. And if we doubt our abilities, if we think or say to ourselves, we can't, we shouldn't, I shouldn't even try, you're not going to do it. Gentlemen, get that shit out of your head because you are beautiful, you are amazing, and you can do anything. Just don't even know how amazing I think you are. And, how excited I am for you and your future and everything that you have in store for you. But it all starts right here. You got to believe in yourself. Gentlemen, I got to lighten the mood because it's getting a little intense in here. Last but certainly not least, the 6th thing that is self-destructive that young dudes do that needs to stop in your 20s is not subscribing to the AaMAlphaM YouTube channel. Research has shown there is a direct correlation between subscribing to the AaMAlphaM YouTube channel and being less self-destructive and kicking more ass through your 20s, in your 30s, even at the old ass age of 40. Gentlemen, if you dug this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and remember, at the end of the day, I think you're beautiful, you're amazing, and you can accomplish anything.